The sheer scale of this gigapress is difficult to overstate. It's revolutionizing how the automotive industry approaches manufacturing.
Inside Tesla's Gigafactory, the air vibrates with the hum of high-pressure hydraulics and the intense heat of molten aluminum. This is the Gigapress, a colossal casting machine that transforms 70 separate steel parts into a single unified rear underbody. The scale is staggering. We are looking at a machine the size of a 2-story building, exerting forces equivalent to a fleet of jumbo jets. Every 80 seconds, a massive die-cast component is born, eliminating the need for hundreds of robotic welding stations. The journey begins here, in the furnace, where a proprietary aluminum alloy is heated to a precise 700 degrees Celsius. This isn't ordinary aluminum. It's a specialized alloy designed to provide structural integrity without the need for traditional heat treatment. Precision pumps inject the liquid metal into the die at high velocity, filling every intricate cavity in a fraction of a second. The challenge of thermal deformation is immense. How do you keep a 2-meter block of metal from warping as it cools? Tesla's engineers have solved this through a sophisticated vacuum system that eliminates porosity and ensures structural density. The massive steel dies, made of H13 hot work tool steel, must withstand repeated cycles of extreme pressure and thermal shock. Watch as the clamping force of 6,000 tons seals the mold, preventing even a microscopic leak of the molten payload. As the die opens, a giant robotic arm reaches in to extract the glowing structure, still radiating intense heat from its core. The cooling process is a choreographed dance of water spray and controlled airflow to stabilize the metal's molecular structure. This single piece replaces 1,000 welds, drastically reducing weight and increasing the overall safety of the vehicle's chassis. But how does a machine this size maintain surgical precision? The answer lies in the massive 600-ton injection unit. This component acts like a high-speed syringe, driving the molten alloy into the mold with force that defies imagination. The Gigapress isn't just one machine. It is a symphony of subsystems working in perfect, millisecond-level synchronization. A complex network of over 200 sensors monitors every bar of pressure and every degree of temperature in real time. A single deviation in the cooling curve could result in microfractures, rendering the entire structural piece useless. Look closely at the platen, the massive steel wall that holds the mold. Its rigidity is the key to preventing flash leaks. Under 6,000 tons of clamping pressure, even solid steel wants to flex. Tesla's design compensates for this elasticity. The foundation beneath us is equally impressive, with deep piled concrete reinforced to withstand constant rhythmic vibrations. This is industrial evolution. We are moving from assembly to creation in a single, high-pressure heartbeat. Behind the scenes, a dedicated team of engineers monitors the digital twin of this machine for any signs of fatigue. The aluminum used here is recycled on-site, creating a closed-loop system that minimizes waste and carbon footprint. Scrap metal from the trimming process is immediately melted down and fed back into the primary holding furnace. Temperature stability is maintained by massive industrial chillers, circulating thousands of liters of coolant every hour. The mold itself is a masterpiece of metallurgy, coated with ceramic layers to survive thousands of thermal cycles. Every cycle is a battle against the laws of physics, pushing the limits of what structural NHM can achieve. To achieve this, the furnace must maintain a constant river of molten metal, flowing at a precise viscosity for optimal mold filling. We are looking at an integrated supply chain where raw ingots are transformed into structural chassis components within minutes. The injection process happens in a vacuum. Any trapped air would create microscopic voids, weakening the entire rear assembly. As the shot sleeve fills, a massive plunger accelerates, forced by nitrogen-powered accumulators for maximum kinetic energy. The metal travels through the runner system at speeds exceeding 50 meters per second, filling the die before it can solidify. Observe the complexity of the gate design. It is engineered to ensure a laminar flow, preventing turbulence and oxide formation. Once the cavity is full, a secondary intensification pressure is applied, squeezing the cooling metal to ensure perfect density. This is the mushy zone phase, where the alloy is neither fully liquid nor fully solid, a critical moment for structural integrity. Internal cooling channels within the die, controlled by laser-drilled passages, extract heat at an extraordinary rate. The thermal shock on the steel mold is immense. It must expand and contract predictably thousands of times without cracking. Specialized lubricants are sprayed onto the die faces between every cycle to prevent the aluminum from soldering to the steel. Every drop of lubricant is measured by automated nozzles, ensuring a microscopic, uniform film across the entire surface. The GigaPress operates with a level of autonomy that makes traditional factories look like relics of the Industrial Revolution. Data from each shot is uploaded to a central neural network, allowing for real-time adjustments to the casting parameters. This constant feedback loop ensures that the 10,000th part is as dimensionally accurate as the very first one produced. The scale of production here is not just about speed. It's about the radical simplification of the global automotive supply chain. By consolidating 70 components into one, Tesla eliminates thousands of square meters of warehouse space, once dedicated to small parts. No more sorting bolts, no more managing hundreds of sub-suppliers. The GigaPress internalizes the entire structural manufacturing process. This vertical integration allows for rapid design iterations that would take traditional manufacturers years to implement. If a structural improvement is needed, engineers simply update the digital mold design and swap the physical die during maintenance. The energy efficiency of this process is often overlooked. Melting NHM once is far more efficient than welding 70 cold steel pieces. Every weld in a traditional factory requires a massive surge of electricity. The GigaPress replaces that with consistent thermal management. Observe the trimming station, where high-speed hydraulic presses shear off the excess aluminum flash with surgical precision. This waste material is immediately vacuum sealed and transported back to the melting pots, completing the industrial circle. The finished rear underbody then moves to the CNC machining center, where mounting points are drilled with sub-millimeter accuracy. Laser sensors verify the position of every hole, ensuring that the battery pack and suspension will bolt on without any stress. The structural rigidity gained from this single-piece design significantly improves the vehicle's handling and crash test performance. In a collision, this monolithic structure absorbs and distributes energy more predictably than a collection of welded stampings. We are witnessing the death of the assembly line as Henry Ford knew it, replaced by the era of mega casting.
The scale of this factory is simply breathtaking. The GigaPress behind me can stamp a complete car underbody in a single cycle.
The impact of this 6,000-ton Titan extends far beyond the factory walls. It is a fundamental shift in the geometry of car design. Engineers no longer have to worry about the cumulative tolerances of 70 different stamped parts vibrating against each other. This monolithic structure provides a rigid foundation for the rear suspension, resulting in a much quieter and more stable ride. Observe the underside of the casting. The integrated ribs are strategically placed to maximize strength while minimizing material weight. Every gram of aluminum saved here translates directly into increased range and efficiency for the electric drivetrain. But manufacturing at this scale introduces a new set of challenges, particularly in the realm of metallurgical consistency. Tesla's secret weapon is their custom aluminum alloy, developed to be highly fluid during injection but incredibly tough once solid. The alloy contains precise amounts of silicon and magnesium, allowing it to flow into thin-walled sections without cooling too early. As the molten metal hits the mold, it must travel nearly 2 meters in less than a tenth of a second. To prevent turbulence, the injection speed is controlled by a closed-loop system adjusting thousands of times per second. Even the air inside the mold is a variable. A high-capacity vacuum pump evacuates the die to near space levels of pressure. This prevents air bubbles, or porosity, which are the ultimate enemy of any structural casting under high stress. Look at the extraction process. The mold halves separate with a thunderous mechanical crack, revealing the finished product. The part is still at 300 degrees Celsius, radiating a shimmering heat haze that distorts the surrounding factory air. A robotic arm equipped with specialized thermal sensors inspects the surface before moving the part to the quench tank. The quench tank is a critical, controlled environment where the aluminum casting undergoes rapid but uniform cooling. Submerging a massive, complex structure into liquid requires a precise entry angle to prevent uneven thermal contraction. Steam explodes from the surface as the 300-degree metal hits the water, creating a turbulent, high-pressure industrial bath. This process locks the metallurgical grain structure, ensuring the chassis achieves its maximum designed yield strength. Once cooled, the part travels to a specialized trimming station where excess overflow material is sheared off instantly. Every millimeter of the trim line is calculated by the digital twin to ensure no structural integrity is compromised. We now move to the quality control phase, where the GigaPress output meets the scrutiny of advanced scanning. Automated X-ray booths wrap around the casting, firing high-energy beams to look deep inside the aluminum's heart. AI algorithms analyze these scans in milliseconds, searching for microscopic occlusions or hidden cooling cracks. A single failure at this stage results in immediate recycling. The part is sent straight back to the melting furnace. For the passing units, laser metrology stations verify thousands of data points against the original CAD model. The mounting points for the rear motor and suspension must be accurate to within the width of a human hair. This level of precision on such a massive scale was considered impossible just a few years ago in automotive history. Tesla has effectively turned a car factory into a giant high-speed foundry, merging two industrial worlds into one. The result is a rear underbody that is lighter, stiffer, and significantly cheaper to produce than any predecessor. The removal of 70 separate parts doesn't just simplify the car, it fundamentally re-engineers the entire factory footprint. Traditional body shops are chaotic mazes of hundreds of robots, each performing a single, tiny weld with flickering sparks. In contrast, the GigaPress area is a masterclass in industrial zen, where a few massive machines do the work of an army. This massive reduction in complexity saves Tesla over 35% of the floor space in the general assembly area. Less space means shorter travel distances for parts, reducing the energy consumption of internal factory logistics and conveyors. We are looking at a logistical triumph where raw aluminum arrives at one end and finished car structures emerge at the other. The GigaPress acts as a physical manifest of Elon Musk's philosophy. The best part is no part and the best process is no process. Every eliminated weld point is one less potential failure mode, one less sensor to calibrate, and one less robot to maintain. As we move toward the front of the vehicle, Tesla is already implementing a second GigaPress for the front underbody. Soon, the entire core of the vehicle will consist of just 3 major castings, joined by the structural battery pack. This unboxed manufacturing process is the holy grail of automotive engineering, drastically lowering the cost of entry for EVs. But the GigaPress technology is not static. It is evolving into even more powerful iterations like the 9,000-ton version. The Cybertruck requires these higher clamping forces to cast its massive stainless steel-compatible alloy components. Each increase in tonnage represents a new frontier in structural casting, pushing the limits of die life and thermal management. The sheer clamping force of 9,000 tons is equivalent to the weight of the entire Eiffel Tower pressing down on a single point. This massive force is necessary to manage the internal pressure of molten alloys during the ultra-fast injection phase. Every square centimeter of the die face must withstand hundreds of bars of pressure without even a micron of separation. The GigaPress is more than just a casting machine. It is the physical manifestation of software-driven manufacturing. By treating the car's body as a single geometric problem, Tesla has bypassed a century of traditional manufacturing constraints. Other automakers are now scrambling to follow suit, investing billions to develop their own mega-casting capabilities. We are witnessing a global arms race in heavy industrial casting, where tonnage and cycle time are the new metrics of success. The environmental impact is significant: less scrap metal, lower energy consumption, and a much cleaner factory floor. Tesla's commitment to this technology proves that the most efficient way to build a car is to simplify its core DNA. From the molten furnaces to the robotic arms, every element is optimized for one goal: total production throughput. The GigaPress represents the moment that automotive engineering moved from the mechanical age into the digital foundry age. As we look to the future, the lessons learned here will pave the way for even larger, more complex structural castings. Perhaps one day, the entire car frame will emerge from a single machine, ready for the battery and motors to be bolted on. It is a bold vision of a world where machines build the machines that change how we move across our planet. Engineering is the art of solving the impossible, and the GigaPress is the ultimate proof of that relentless human spirit.
As you can see behind me, the new Tesla is rolling out now, signaling a new era for the British automotive sector.